took too much ecstasy. I went to this rave for 3 days. I only drank 1 bottle of water.
You're so pretty when you talk.
Okay. What's up, video? It's time for a new knife, guys.
Let's 51 started, episode get. Just keep it going. What's up, guys? It's damn right I got knives with Paul and Xavier, episode 51. We've been wanting to do the Machinewise stuff for a while here. It just took a little bit to get to this point, which is a good thing, because in that time I've had a chance to pick up several of Machinewise's Balisongs and try out several. And so the first one I got was this guy right here. It is the Maryn tie, but with a beautiful toxic anodization.
That's a beauty.
It is. That is what we got here today on the table.
That's one of the things we got.
One of the things. And then I went up to Blade Show with Xavier and a group of us, the SDBC and the Cerrone Knives and that whole other episode. And while I was up there, I picked up a SlifT.
We had a table right near Machinewise, so we'd see him every day and hang out with him and stuff.
This is the SlifT, but with the Maryn blade. And it's like a bronzed with purple on the inside of the handle, anodized. And this thing is amazing, flips great, sounds great. Yes, beauty.
Killer.
The SlifT doesn't ring as much as the Maryn, I find. Makes more of a ring sound. This is more clackety-clicky, but still has that
more
bounce.
metal.
More metal sound. Metal. This is a little more ringy. I'm enjoying flipping this because it has better grip at the ends. The Maryn does feel a little slippery at times, but it's fine because there is some jimping on the Maryn here at the handles. You can see the difference in these handles. Maryn goes like that, the SlifT goes all the way around. So a little more grip, the jimping is more pronounced. So then we had a meet up and we were all hanging out with our knives and we were all hanging out with our knives and we were all hanging out with our knives and with our knives and we were all hanging out with our knives. Donut Flips wanted to trade his Maryn Light with me for another knife. Donut Flips was upgrading, and I did a trade and I ended up with the Maryn Light, which is made of aluminum. It's the exact same knife, but with aluminum handles. And this one here, the original Maryn I got with the toxic anodization, is number 99, so that's kind of cool. I know Will really gave the aluminum an outstanding review, and I agree 100% for the price and what this is. Oh my gosh, such a good knife for such a good price. But I'm a fan of flipping the titanium because I'm just that way.
It feels like a lot more substantial, and the fanning feels good.
One thing I thought personally is I really like this knife for flipping, for an aluminum option. I prefer the Kraken over this, but I prefer maybe the titanium over the Kraken. That's something I thought about. But what do I know? You know, it's just an opinion thing. You know, my opinions on knives changes every day, so whatever.
The thing I'm really impressed with these is the blade shape. I just love that Tonto. It's so subtle, the design of it, but it's like a Tonto you've never seen before.
So you have people like Machinewise doing their thing, making things, and then you have somebody like DCB, the Genesis, an amazing knife.
Check out that blade. And that's titanium handles? Or?
Titanium handles, yeah. This knife is like really strong feeling, built very well. These are T15s.
It's hardcore.
Yeah. Dave is known for making really great stuff. It's great to go on his Instagram, watch him, see what he's doing, really look at his craftsmanship. He does a great job. If you watch some Don't Stop productions on the Genesis, you might see it looks exactly like this knife to me. Like it might even just be that knife.
Really nice. It's got this sort of two-tone anodization. It's got this sort of bronze and the darker.
And then the silver on the flats.
Right. It's a good combo, basically.
Dude, it looks so good.
And that blade is like nothing else you'll find on the Balisong market.
Outstanding tip. It's like a DLC coating on the sides or something. And then polished here. And then anodized on the inside. I mean, that's
It takes a little bit of time to do that, yeah.
This knife is awesome. And I wanted to do a full review on it and go crazy on it, but I'm kind of just giving, I have so many knives to review and things to get through that I'm kind of turning this episode into a pairing where I'm pairing the DCB along with the Maryns and the SlifT review.
Okay, everything must be perfect so I can breathe again.
That's right. What else do we want to talk about? What are we thinking? We're in New Jersey.
Forget about it.
Arizona, my brain is fried, been out in the sun. All right, you guys want to see some flipping? Here's some flipping.
Yeah.
Bring it on.
Hey, yeah. Well, what do you want to watch some flipping, huh? Fucking blown away.
I'll be taking your socks off slowly. I'm not gonna knock your socks off. Party over. It's still rolling. It got me. DCB got me.
Yeah, there you go.
Ow. Tip wars.
Okay, guys. Thanks for next.
51. I got 50 and 1.
Okay, guys.
51. 51. This was episode 51.
Okay, guys. Thanks for next. We'll see you watching time.
We got the bull by the horns.
Well, okay, guys.
Episode watched. You're so pretty, I want to cut you up. Episode 5-1. You're so pretty when you talk. We got the bull by the horns in the bank. We did it. Fuck you.
We'll see you watching time.
We got the bull by the horns. We got episode 5-1 in the bucket, dancing Lucy wildly.
Thanks for next. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Thanks for next. We'll see you watching time.